Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya and welcome to another Saturday Morning Makes hosted by Jill Norwood. I'm going to leave her channel in the description box below. So I made some ginger cards, so let me show you the supplies I used and the cards. I used waffle flower lacy layers, Pink Fresh Studio, it's like a frame dies. Maybe I'm gonna leave the name on the screen. I used this Maggie Home, it has like sequins, stars and pom-pom. Then I used these cute clay, I think. They're so cute. Then I used this paper, Christmas season. This paper sent to me by a shop on Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description box below. It has really nice vintage paper. I used craft paper. I think this is from Joanne maybe or Michael's. I used the stamp set by Not Too Shabby shop, and this one called and it's here, Gingerbread Kisses. Cute. Distress ink, bundle sage, also new espresso ink, and tea dye distress ink, and stickers for the sentiments. Okay. And I used also Norwood crystal glaze, liquid pearl, and chocolate, and yellow, and white. Also vintage drops by Norwood. Okay. Yes, and color pencils. This color pencil maker art, I think I shared it on one of my haul. It's really good colors. They are really affordable. 120 color pencils. I think they were 35, 38. They are really nice. They are not creamier like a Prismacolor, but they are really good. I mean, I didn't feel that they are scratchy or anything on the papers. Okay, so let me share with you, or let me now show you the cards. So this is the first card. Here is where I used the sticker, and that's the paper that they sent me. And this is the mug. This is a stamp set also by Not Too Shabby called Merry Mugs, I think. Yeah, and also here's a sticker. This is the cute ginger. So I colored the gingers with color pencil, and I distressed them with the tea dye distress ink. So that's the first card. Here is the second one. So cute. So I paper piecing the gnome, the cup, or the mug. Here is where I used the dye by Pink Fresh Studio. And that's the paper they sent me. And again, a sticker. And last but not least, this cute gingerbread house and these gingers. So again, this is a stamp set. I forgot by whom. Maybe I can insert a photo. This is a sticker, again colored with color pencil, and so I did some highlight with the white gel pen. Yeah, I sprinkled some glitter or chunky glitter. And I forgot to show you all the cute gnomes I created and all the gingers that I colored. Okay, so that's what I did for today, but I'm going to share with you two cards that I created them like 2 or 3 weeks ago for a hub, for Black Lives Matter hub on Instagram. So let me share with you quickly what did I use, then the cards. Okay, so I used this Lawn Fawn backdrop, I think it's called Bayou backdrop. I used this paper by American Crafts. Sticker sheets. These dies by My Creative Time. Also these dies by MFT, and also watermelon. It's called MFT Watermelon Slice Dynamics. This is an old one. Then this die This is 360. It's like, let me show it to you. I don't know what you call this. It's like zigzag ribbon or something. Trim. Then this stamp set, this is an old one by Honeybee Stamps and called Under the Sea. Okay. So for the Black Lives Matter, I created this card, like 2 mermaids under the sea, and this is the backdrop by Lan Fan and the paper by American Crafts. And for Free Palestine also movement, I created the watermelon because they represent their flag or their colors in a watermelon. So I created this card, and this be also by Honeybee Stamps. Yeah, so it's a very fun cause. Maybe I can link for the page that always take the initiative, you know, to create hops like this over Instagram. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.